Good morning, guys. It's a nice, sunny, happy day. The weekend has started. It's a Saturday and oh my god, the sun is shining nice and bright and I'm in a happy mood. We UK people have got such simple pleasures. You've got the sun beaming and shining and you've got a happy lot. Yeah, sad but true. So I wanted to take you shopping with me. I'm going to Stratford because Christmas is around the corner and we have to do some Christmas shopping. I want Nirvana, my daughter, to get into that whole festive feel. She should know that on Boxing Day on the 26th that she's going to rip apart boxes of gifts, and I want her to get into that whole mood because that's how I was raised. This is a Be Blunt Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. This is for all hair types. I'm just going to spritz that because I washed my hair and I need heat protectant. So like I said, I'm going to Stratford, Westfield Stratford. For anyone who's coming to London and you are thinking where to shop, Westfield is the best place to shop. They've got two malls. One is in Shepherd's Bush, that's in central London, I think, and the other one is in Stratford. And my skin needs a little more hydration, so I'm going to go for the Dot & Key Ceramide and Hyaluronic Skin Barrier Repair Face Cream. This has got probiotics and rice water. What a surprise this cream has turned out to be. Less than 500, fragrance free, fabulous job out here. So hydrating and my skin drinks it up in this weather. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to put that on my neck and on my face. This is Aqualogica's Glow Under Eye Gel. It comes with this tool applicator that as soon as you touch, it's so nice and cooling. So the only problem is it dispenses a little more product, so you've got to be very careful. And I'm just going to massage my orbital bone area. Has it brought about a difference to the darkness that I have on the inner corner? Not as much like a retinol eye cream would, but because of that tool applicator and how cooling it is, it kind of like reduces the puffiness. And as that evaporates, I'm just going to apply the Ceramide Vitamin C Sunscreen from Dr. Shed. If I talk one more time about the sunscreen, I know one of you, you're going to knock on my door and give me one tight slap and ask me to move on, but I can't help it. I've tried many international ones staying here also, you guys, and this is on the same par as many international sunscreen because of how lightweight it is. I need a little lip balm, and this is Aqualogica's Radiance Glowy Lip Mask. Oh my god, you guys, please get this. Lovely. It keeps my lips feeling so juicy and plump, exactly what I need for the weather out here. And it gives such a nice glossy finish. Has got the right amount of thickness, and when lipstick sits on top of that, it's lovely. Alright, makeup time. Let's get the base going on. Very simple winter makeup, and I wanted to show you a few products that I've been loving from Plum Goodness. I was so excited when I got the opportunity to collaborate again and talk about their makeup because I've been talking about their lipsticks, their eye pencils, their concealers all throughout on Reels as well as on my YouTube videos. And when I got the opportunity to collaborate again, I grabbed it with both hands, my feet as well as my hair strands. I kind of like whiplashed the opportunity. I was like, yes, come to me. I think in their makeup department, they aced it, you guys, in giving you something affordable and really good quality. And they will only get better in the year 2023. I mean, I can only imagine eyeshadow palettes from them, how phenomenal that would be. So I'm applying the Prep Set and Go Face Primer. It's almost like a soft gel-like consistency, and what I noticed with this is that it really controls the oil production here on my T-zone, and it has the ability of minimizing my pores. It gives me a very beautiful blurring effect, and I like to apply that even on my eyelids, under my eye, so that it just sets my eye makeup really nicely. This primer makes your skin matte, which is perfect for our Indian weather if you've got, combination oily skin. This is 100% vegan, it's cruelty free, and there's a nice texture to it, you guys. You feel as if, is this going to be like a silicone texture? But no, it's a nice gel-like consistency, very soft, and it makes your skin, though it makes the skin matte, it makes the skin a lot more smoother and hydrating because it's got argan oil and it's got my favorite rosehip seed oil. And I love it. I just just let that marinate for about a minute or two, and then I apply my foundation. I've noticed that makeup really sits very well on top of that. Extremely affordable, a beauty of a primer, and many people should be talking about it. I mean, just look at my skin right now. It's non-comedogenic, it's fragrance free, so even if you've got sensitive skin, you can definitely enjoy this one. Let's move on to the next surprise, and I know this one product, their foundation, so many of you wrote to me in my last video saying that can you please review the Plum foundation. I've been using this, guys, and there's no complaints about their foundation and concealer. But between the two, if I had to choose one, if you want to try where base makeup is concerned, I would say pick up that concealer. It's got the right formulation of hydrating and matte, a beautiful mix so that people of all skin types can enjoy this concealer. It's almost like a lightweight serum sort of a texture that turns into a very soft velvety matte. It gives you great coverage, and it's got avocado extract, it's got cucumber extract, it's got hyaluronic acid, and I guess that is why it gives you that slight hydration, and it's got vitamin E, which nourishes the skin. And I guess because they are a skincare brand, when they make a makeup product, they also include a lot of really nice skincare ingredients into the mix. They've got 5 shades, and I do want Plum to come out with a lot more shade range, and I have a feeling they will, because I feel with the formulation they've got it right. They've got the concealer formulation right, you guys. They just need a lot more exclusive shade range, and I have a feeling that they will. They were just maybe testing waters out here, and they've got a winner for concealer. Definitely is coming in the best of 2022 makeup. So I've got two. I've got Pinch Blush, which I feel is great for people who have got cool undertones and falls under the fair category. And if you are in that medium tan category, I feel Sunset Bronze and Tan Glow would be your best option. Lovely packaging, nice doe foot applicator, nice and thin enough. I'm just going to apply that. It's not like you need to blend immediately, so I'm just going to take wherever I need it, and taking my favorite pack into Jovita concealer brush. Oh my god, they should sell this individually because this is the best concealer brush I have come across. And look at the way it blends. Oh, this is such a phenomenal concealer. Look at how it just gives you that coverage. Super soft. It's almost like a velvety serum finish. Guys, just pick this one up. Please pick this one up, and boom, done. Can you see that? Blends like a dream. I don't even have to go extra with my foundation. This is a proper match to me. I'm an NC40 MAC reference, but if you've got flawless complexion, you can just apply this concealer and apply a compact powder on top of that. You're good to go. I love this. This gets a complete 5 on 5, So let's move on to the foundation. So before I left, I picked up their foundation. This is the Soft Blend Weightless Foundation. They've got the name right. It is extremely lightweight. It's got a lovely matte finish, but not a drying matte. It's got a very lightweight texture to this one. They've got 7 shades. Again, I wish that they would increase their shade range in this, because even the deeper, darker complexion girls need to enjoy the formulations out here. Lovely packaging, you guys. Extremely affordable. And if you use a discount code, you can get a further discount out here that will just give you your money's worth. And it's got willow bark extract, which is great for people who have got slight breakouts. And I guess this was one of those foundations I noticed that did not break me out. It's non-comedogenic. It's also got vitamin E, the hydrating factors. It's got coconut water extract. It's also got hyaluronic acid, and that is why it makes it very, very hydrating. So I picked up 2 shades, that is 120 neutral and 125 yellow, and I'm glad I picked up the yellow shade, though it is a little more light to my skin tone. So ideally I could have gone for 130 neutral, which somehow I prefer a darker foundation more than a fair foundation, because with a darker foundation I can somehow make it adjusted to my skin color with the compact powder, blush, so on and so forth. But the yellow one really falls for me pretty well, and as you can see, this is the neutral shade, which is definitely not my skin tone. I'm just going to take my foundation brush and I'm just going to spread that across my face. Beautiful soft texture. I've been actually enjoying this. I just feel bad that I've been actually enjoying this, and I want them to come out with a lot more undertones and a lot more shade range. See, I'll show you. Let me blend that one up. See what I meant? That just to be on the safer side, I always go for a neutral shade, and a little goes a long way. So because I had that concealer already, I just want a slight coverage, and this is a beautiful soft matte texture. So if you've got oily skin, you girls, you're going to love it. If you've got dry skin, you have to really prep your skin with a good moisturizer underneath. And it lasts also very well. Some 6-7 hours. I noticed that I just had to touch it up with a compact powder. And you know what? This year our Indian brands did very well where formulations are concerned. They just need to do a lot more where shade range is concerned, inclusivity. That's everything. And I feel Plum as a brand can do that, you know, because they're all about giving you affordable makeup. They want everybody to enjoy their products. They should consider, you know, they should consider giving more variety to medium tan and as well as darker, deeper skin tones. I'm definitely going to go in with a setting spray. This is my favorite Urban Decay All-Nighter. I'm taking the brow glue from NYX, the only thing I have used in the year 2022. There's nothing else that I have used to set my eyebrows. To set this face up, I'm going to take Verified's compact powder. This is the IRL loose powder. Another brand that has done really well, and this is from our OG content creator, you guys. And I'm just going to show you how beautifully it sets everything. And anyway, the foundation and concealer gives you that blurring effect. This, for somebody who's got texture, can cheat and give you the illusion of really good skin. So people who have got textured acne prone skin should go for hydrating factors but with blurring properties. For blush, I cannot recommend the lip and cheek tint anymore. Again, this is coming in the best lip and cheek tints of 2022. It is phenomenal, very lightweight. It's not too matte, it's not too hydrating that, you know, it causes a slip on your cheeks or move the makeup underneath it. It gives you that nice flush of color. I think because of almond oil, jojoba oil and shea butter, it makes it very hydrating. So as soon as you apply on the cheeks, it's so easy, the application. My two favorite shades out of the 5 that they have. The first one is 121 Bare It Is, which is a beautiful brown, everyday nude color that works like a blush and a bronzer. I'll show you in a minute. And the other one is Tickle Pink, which is such a phenomenal pink shade for shadi functions. You know, you want that little flush of color. I'm going to work with both, yeah? And for your everyday makeup, for a quick makeup, this is the best thing that you can do. Go very subtle, keep building the color. Can you see that? How beautifully subtle this one is. Blends like a dream, you guys. I'm going to show this on my lips also so that you will see the color. All you need is a gloss on top of that or a lip balm. Very hydrating. Oh, I love this Bare It Is, please. Like out of the two, out of all, if you can pick up one shade, just pick this one up because it will flatter all skin tones. The undertone out here is so right that it works like a blush and a bronzer. I'm going to be a little naughty and apply that on my eyelids as well because it doesn't sit on the lines of my eyelids. So it's great for people who've got matured skin. Lovely. Let me show you the pink one, which will give me one of the, you know, the trend of that winter makeup where you can see people acting as if they've got a frostbite. Just right here, ever so slightly. Yeah, smile. Please stay tuned for the best blush of 2022 because I've got some phenomenal ones coming up. I'm going to apply a nude eye pencil on my waterline. This one is from Juicy Chemistry. It's just going to open my eye, and just towards the end of the eye, I'm going to apply a brown one. This is from Urban Decay. I'm taking my current favorite mascara. This is the Lancome Idol mascara. It's got such a beautiful wand, like a curve kind of thing. Going to, this again went completely viral on TikTok, Reels, rightfully so. It's so lovely. You know what, I want to add a hint of blue, my signature blue. Me and blue, man. I mean, seriously, this is the I Swear By matte eyeliner from Plum, and I'm just going to apply that only as my wing. This blue is not too bright, so it makes it such a friendly everyday blue color. I like that. It's just that slight hint of blue tones. Lipsticks, you guys, I have spoken about their lipsticks. I think there are literally 1,000 reels and shorts made alone on their lipsticks. Be it their matte lip crayon, their bullet lipstick, I've got an entire video on some of my favorite shades. Their liquid mattes, I've got 20 incredible shades, starting from really beautiful nude, neutral, warm, cool undertones, all the way to the reds and to the berry, and this one, 134 Toast Wanted, is a beautiful everyday brown shade. You know, there are some brown colors that are a bit too dark for an everyday look. I mean, if you are into it, go for it, you guys. But if you're looking out for a nice nude that has got beautiful brown tones coming through, because when you see nude, it has just a hint of brown, it's just got a hint of pink, but this one is a nude brown color that is great for all skin tones. Very, very flattering, and this is the shade for you. That's it, skincare and makeup done, you guys. This is my look for the mall. Now let me go get ready. I'll show you my final look and we will just finish off this video. I absolutely love how my face is looking right now. Look at my skin. Everything is just settled really well. Not too drying, not too shabby at all. For a nice natural glam. I won't say that this is that minimal makeup kind of a look, which I've done plenty of it before, but I like the brown. It looks nice and warm. My face looks alive for a very dead, otherwise winter weather. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Get ready with me is actually one of my favorite videos, you guys, to do. It's just nice to sit and chat and talk about makeup and show you my makeup routine and process. And I shall see you in my next, and until later, bye for now.